Good morning students, welcome to Mulkra online class. Today we will start exercise 3a. Today we will solve question number 4. Here we have circle the correct fraction. Look at this A part. Here we have 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Total our parts are 1, 2, 3 and how many shaded parts? It is 1. So the fraction is 1 by 3. Next is how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total parts 6 and how many shaded parts? It is only 1. So the correct fraction is 1 by 6. Next we have how many total parts? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Total parts 4 and how many shaded part? It is 1. So the fraction is 1 by 4. Next we have 1, 2, 3. Total parts are 3 and how many shaded parts? It is 1 and 2. So correct fraction is 2 by 3. Next is 1, 2, 3. Total parts are 3 and how many shaded parts? It is 1. So fraction is 1 by 3. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts are 5. And how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. So fraction is 3 by 5. Next question, circle the unlike fraction. As you know students, what is unlike fraction? In which the denominators are same. So look at this, it is 1 by 6 and 2 by 5. Here we have different denominator, it is unlike fraction. Next is 7 by 9 and 1 by 9. It is like fraction because denominators are same. Next we have 3 by 4 and 3 by 7. Again we have different denominators, it is unlike fraction. 5 by 11 and 11 by 5. Again we have different denominators, it is unlike fraction, so circle it. Next we have 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Here we have same denominators, it is like fraction. And next is 3 by 13 and 5 by 13. Again we have same denominators, it is like fraction. So here we have unlike fractions A, C and D parts. Next question number 6. Color the objects in each group to show the fraction. Here we have 1 by 2. Look at this, here we have 2 apples and how many we have to color it? It is 1. So you have to color 1 apple. Next is how many total balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 balls and you have to color 2 balls. Okay. Next is total we have 4 and you have to color 1 object. Next question number 7. Complete the following. Look at this. Here we have 1 by 2. When we multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 2, it is 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Look at this, here we have total 4 parts and how many shaded parts? It is 1 and 2, 2 by 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Next we have 1 by 3. Total parts are 3 and how many shaded part? It is 1. Now we multiply numerator and denominator with the same number 3. How many total parts? 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9 and we have to color. Look at this, shaded parts are 3, 1 3s are 3. Total parts are 9 and how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. Shaded part is 9, 3 by 9. Next we have 2 by 3. Total parts are 3 and shaded parts are 2, 2 by 3. When we multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, we get an equivalent fraction, that is 6 by 9. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 12. Look at this, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 3s are 3 and 4 3s are 12. Next we have 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10. 1 multiplied by 2, 1 2s are 2 and 5 2s are 10, 2 by 10. Next is 3 by 3 is equal to 9 by 9. Total 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 3 3s are again 9. Now total parts we have 9 and shaded part is also, total parts are 9. Next question number 8. Look at these fractions table, then complete the equivalent fractions. Look at this. Here we have 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. We multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 2. 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. Next we have 4 by 6 is equal to dash by 3. So students, as you know, in equivalent fraction we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. So here we have, look at this, it is 6 divided by 2 because we have in denominator we have 3. it means 2 3s are 6, we divide it with 2, and again we numerator with the same number, that is 4 divided by 2, so we get 2, because 2 2s are 4, so we get 2 by 3. We get 2 by 3. Next is 2 by 3 is equal to dash by 6. Again we multiply this fraction with 2, multiply it, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again we divide it with 2, because 2 3s are 6. Here we have denominator 3, and again we divide it with 2, 2 3s are 6. So we get numerator 3. 1 by 5 is equal to dash by 10. Again we multiply this fraction 1 by 5 with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 1 2s are 2. 3 by 5 is equal to dash by 10. Again 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 2 by 5 is equal to dash by 10. 5 multiplied by 2, 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. 8 by 10 is equal to dash by 5. Here we have to divide it with 2, because 2 5s are 10. Here we have denominator 5. Now again we divide 8 with 2. 2 4s are 8. So we have numerator 4. Okay students, do these sums on your book. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.